All right, one word of caution here. So if you are talking about the standard deviation, so if you're talking about the S here, and some quizzes may give you variance, so do pay attention to the variance is not S. You need to square root that, okay? So then you can get this. So just some caution, yeah. And let me just give you another caution, right? So let me see. Can I write it? Let's just write it here. Okay. So we've discussed about r square. So let me just add a little bit. So how to calculate r square? The first is to use the relationship between the correlation of x and y, or just the y and y. Okay. Once you got that, you need to just square that, and you got r square. So you can do that, of course. If it's a simple linear regression with just one independent variable, you can just use x and y correlation, right? Just one method. Because previously it's just r squared to correlation, so you need to mind the positive and negative sign. But now, since you are calculating r square is always positive, so you don't need to worry about that anymore. All right, and of course, r square by definition is the sum square of a regression divided by sum square of a total sum of square, of course. So what is sum square of a regression? So regression sum square is the regression y, right? This is a predicted value, and of course you subtract the average, and you got the difference, and you square that. You you kind of sum of that I, and I equals to 1 all the way up to n. Of course, that's how you calculate the regression sum square. And when you calculate the regression, the total sum of square, the sum of square of total, as you please, you can use the y, subtract the y average value, and because it's a total sum of square, you just use the data, the actual data you're getting right now, with the predicted data. So that's pretty much how you calculate that. With the average y, that's pretty much how you calculate that. And of course, you need to sum all that up all the way to n, right? And you can sort of change that to 1 subtracted by SSE, because this is one left, and the total SST. Okay, you can also get that, but just use this at the different circumstances. You choose the best way to solve it, and I think once you got yourself very familiar with those kinds of methods, you'll be fine during the exam.